How to see least interacted friends on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see least interacted friends on Facebook. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let us begin. So the first step here is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to the menu icon on the bottom right. After you're on your menu, what you'll then need to do is tap on your profile, or you can simply tap on friends here. But I'll head over to my profile first, scroll down, and there you'll see all friends option. Tap on see all friends, and depending on how many friends you have, you'll get an option that says manage right around here. Now, since I already only have 3 friends, I don't have the manage friends option. So tap on manage friends, and after you tap on manage friends, you'll get a category section where you will be able to see least interacted with option. So tap on least interacted with, and there you will be able to see the list of people who you have least interacted with on Facebook. And that's how you see least interacted friends on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.